In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber app on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to easily book a ride across town or explore a new city, Uber can be an incredibly convenient tool for your daily transportation needs. Installing the app is straightforward and involves just a few essential steps, so let's dive right in. First, pick up your iPhone and unlock it. You'll want to look for the App Store icon on your home screen. It's usually a blue icon with a white A on it. Once you've found it, tap on it to open the App Store. Upon opening the App Store, you'll find the search bar, which is located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, indicated by a magnifying glass icon labeled Search. Tap on this icon to bring up the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type in Uber. As you start typing, you may see suggestions begin to populate. Feel free to tap on Uber once it appears in the suggestions, or complete typing and press Search on your keyboard. You should now see a list of apps related to your search. Look for the official Uber app, which is commonly recognizable by its black icon with the word Uber written in white letters. Tap on the Uber app to open its information page. Here you can read more about the app, check ratings and reviews if you're curious about what other users think. Once you feel ready to download, you should see a button that says Get. Tap this button. Depending on your iPhone settings, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate your download. This security measure confirms it's really you trying to install the app. After authentication, your app will start downloading. You can watch the progress of the download as a circular loading icon appears. This process generally doesn't take too long, but the exact time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app. Welcome to the Uber app. Here, you'll be prompted to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to Uber. For new users, signing up typically involves providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Uber app on your iPhone and are ready to start requesting rides. Whether you need a quick lift or are planning your next outing, you're just a few taps away from getting wherever you want to go. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and safe travels.